Africa, Cape Town. Wow. Right, here we are. We've just got to Cape Town. It's me and the missus. She wants the patty cake. I'm not really interested. I'm hanging out with the two best MCs in history. Don't let the dreadlocks fool you. It's not cat piss. It's Bruce Robson.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
He just took a
Andy's
year off.
eyes.
He just took a year off.
Andy's birthday.
And then in the back, it is Table Mountain. See that?
That's so pretty.
It looks like Spitty just ripped a massive muffler on the other side. So
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
I was going to get to that. I didn't want to leave him hanging, but it is Andy's birthday. So happy birthday, Andy.
Thank you.
Dude, you look just like Cam with that amount of hair. So what are you, like 32?
I'm actually 31, but I feel like 26.
Oh well, next
You're like
time, mate.
26.
That was some beautiful seafood. Actually, we haven't even got our mains yet.
Where's Brucey? I'm Brucey.
Where's the crab?
Brian is. Brian needs us.
Tell you what, mate. Are you still trying to catch that king crab or what?
No, it's still busy. It's coming now. I'm sure he's ready now.
Hey, not love for Eddie, huh?
Not up for Eddie.
Not love for Eddie.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
here
king
it
crab is coming
Thank you,
now.
Brian.
Yeah, right.
What about these guys? Oh, here we are.
Yes.
He's here right now.
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jesus.
Oh, that looks good.
Look at the ass asparagus.
Ooh, ah.
Is that asparagus?
Yeah.
Oh, stop it.
That looks amazing. Massive
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Tell you what, all the places you're going to run into someone at the shopping centre.
You know, you good? You being good this
I'm not
time?
supposed to
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Ladies and gentlemen, the greatest MC in Nitro Circus history. One and done. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Alright, so that's it. Just trying to buy a prepaid SIM card. And you're not allowed to without a passport. As for this band, they're still playing. Good job. And then, thought we were in London for a sec. There's a London Eye. Helmet already. Going to get a hire bikes. Sound driver, say g'day, mate.
Yeah, what is the camera this one?
Yeah, filming.
Nice one, my man.
You gonna come to Australia with us?
Yeah, I want to go Australia, man. You give me job there.
Yeah, we'll give you a job.
You're the filmer.
You give me job?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Minute. We've got tour guide for the day. We've got Bruce Robson, mate. I seen a little coffee shop back there, mate. Why didn't you stop?
Because it's not as good as Iron and Resin Garage. Everyone knows that.
Mate.
Shit.
Ew. we're searching the other side of the globe for penguins, and we found them. I can see 4 penguins. They're over here, babe. Hey! They're on their way to meet Tui in Platinum Nightclub. Right now, that's a bit of overkill there, right? Look at that thing. Yep, hold her up, mate. Good job. Stay there. Alright, Iron and Resin crew, assemble.
Oh, hello. Greetings. Welcome to South Africa.
South Africa.
Like we just go park.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
flight.
fucking run into it.
Yeah, just
I'm roosting. It's not really a noise I expected a penguin to make, that's for sure. Unless they're rooting. Maybe they're rooting. Whoa. It's true, they're rooting.
I say 100 to 200 bucks cost a month on finance lease or whatever.
Made it to Table Mountain.
Climbed it. Which one is it?
Oh look, what are you doing, Dave?
I'm just going for a little ride by myself and bumped into you guys. I was killing
What
it
a
out
loser.
there.
Alright babe, let's go. Get up. Come on.
What do you think?
Hey.
Alright, so we had a pretty mad day today, riding along the coastline of Cape Town. It was beautiful. Went with Bruce, Andy, Iron and Resin Garage, Haley, met some penguins. It was pretty mad. Check it out on the channel, mate. Click subscribe if you love it. Give us a tick. If you hate it, then leave a negative comment and I'll probably just ignore it.
And
So,
stick your finger out like this.
thanks for coming. Over.
Look, I got enemies, got a lot of enemies, got a lot of people trying to drain me of my energy. They're trying to take away from